Alright, today I'm gonna, by request of a subscriber on YouTube of mine, I am gonna make a video on making decisions about upgrading from XP to Windows 7. Windows XP to Windows 7. And the one thing that you want to know is, before you do, should I buy another computer with Windows 7 already on it, or should I be able to upgrade the one I have? So if I can upgrade the one I got, of course I won't have to buy another computer. Let's go see. Let's go on Microsoft's webpage. And we're going to go there now. This is their homepage, Microsoft.com. It will come up to here. And when you want to find out about upgrading and all about Windows 7 before you buy it and try to install it, you click on this window right here and come down to Windows XP. Click on that. And when you do, it's going to come up to this page right here, Windows XP. And when you look here, there's a lot of things you do for Windows XP that you already got, so you want to remember that. Help and how to, a lot of things. Downloads for Windows. And you can tell them this was helpful and they appreciate it. It's got a lot of other things here that you want to know, but one thing to know is support has ended for Windows XP SP2 Service Pack 2. New PCs installed with Windows XP are no longer available, so that means they're not putting Windows XP on any more new PCs. It's going to be upgraded to Windows 7 or 8 or maybe Vista, but more than likely 7. So after you go here and you know you're thinking about an upgrade, you click on this right here, thinking about an upgrade, and it's going to go right here and it's going to show you the comparisons of Windows XP and Vista and 7. And if you scroll down, you're going to see all the comparisons of what Windows XP can do and what Windows Vista can do and what Windows 7 can do. And Windows 7 can do them all. So, with that being said, you want to go to see their products right here, and when you click on products, it's going to come up to this page. So you can find out right here. You can watch their videos, compare Windows 7 editions, the requirements, which is something you need to know. You need to go here to click on that right there. See Windows 7 requirements. Let that come up. Oh, I thought I already had it loaded, but I didn't. Sorry about that. To start with, you got to have a gigahertz of or faster 32-bit processor. And most of them do these days. You got to have a gigabyte of RAM, your memory, for 32-bit or 64-bit. You got to have at least 16 gigabytes available on your hard drive just to put Windows 7 on there by itself. So you need to find out how much room you've got left on your computer before you can even install it. And you got to have DirectX 9 graphics devices or higher. And all these things you need to know before you try to download and install Windows 7. You need to go over here and click Take a Tour. You want to see if your PC will run Windows 7. Or you can upgrade or take a tour, watch the videos, check to see if your PC can run on Windows 7. it'll go to this page right here. And to find out, you can download the Windows 7 Upgrade Advisor. And you want to read this, find out what's compatible, watch videos, compare editions, review system requirements. You can download the Upgrade Advisor right here. It will come down. You click on it and set it up and run it. And I advise you, before scanning your PC with Windows 7 Upgrade Advisor, be sure to plug in and turn on any USB devices such as printers, external hard drive disks, and scanners that you regularly use with your PC. Turn your printer on, printer, scanner, whatever, so it can look at everything you've got and see is it compatible with Windows 7. Or you're going to have to upgrade all that stuff just to make it work with Windows 7. So that's what you need to do. And getting out of here now, one thing that I can say is I've done run the advisor. My computer's 5 years old. I don't have the memory, which is RAM. I only have 500 megs in it. I could upgrade. But by the time I spend the money to upgrade this computer to what I need to do with Windows 7, I can go out and buy me another computer. So those are the things you need to make a decision of before you make that decision. And I hope this video helps. And if you do, subscribe to my channel. Any other things will be sent automatically to your email to let you know that I've updated or made another video. And I appreciate any questions coming back to me that I can help you on. I'll try to make a video. So this is Shanadoia signing off.